Greetings from Svärdsö Nature Reserve and this amazing nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature in Nacka. Yes, I'm in the Solsidan area, one of the richest neighborhoods in Stockholm, but right next to it is this beautiful forest. And I actually wanted to go on the other end on the open sea, but it was too windy, so I decided to do today one more episode here, as I will be away from Stockholm for a week because I'm heading to Vienna for the Eurovision Song Contest 2026. Maybe I can do some beach adventures even there on Danube, which I did, I think it was last year or 2 years ago. I'm not really sure at this point, but I will be busy with Eurovision there, so I will be looking forward when Eurovision ends and the post-Eurovision depression kicks in, so I can continue with my beach adventures in peace here in Sweden. The water looks amazing, and now I realize that from here I can jump in the water when the sea will be warmer. It is very deep right here, and this is a bit of a closed surface, but it's connected with the Baltic Sea with a canal. And yes, today is 10th of May 2026, super sunny Sunday. It has been sunny the whole week. I just can't believe it. So much sun. Yesterday I was at Grönalund at the Medina and Lila Alfaji concerts. I have bought the season ticket. It was 50% off during Black Friday, Black Week, Black Month. And yeah, I went to the first concert and it was amazing. I have posted some shorts on my channel if you want to see how was the audience and the stämning in Swedish. I just don't think I can find the English word right now. But anyway, we are in Svärdsö and we are ready for another swim in the sea. And earlier today I did an episode around the corner, but I just also wanted to show you this spot because this is one of my very nice go-to spots for when there is a lot of wind on the open sea. I come here because I'm protected by this magical forest. The water looks amazing and I'm so happy I'm going in for another swim here today. And yeah, I need to pack actually and get ready for Vienna, but instead I'm doing this. Okay, so nudist beach spot in the most beautiful nature, and I'm all alone right now, and it is 12:40 p.m. and oh my god, I have an early morning flight tomorrow at 5:45, so I need to get up at 1:30. So yeah, I'm gonna think about that later. Now my biggest happiness is to go in for a swim in the sea. It's really amazing, it's really stunning. And let's go over here where I can see this very deep and also very scenic with the nature all around and these beautiful rocks here. All right, so yeah, beach adventures with Chris continue. Today's beach to number 33. So let's go again for a swim in the Baltic Sea. 13 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea. Let's go. I'm so acquainted right now because I have been going in for deep since it was 0 degrees. So now actually it feels good and it will get better and better. I love it. Ooh, what an amazing therapy, and to get in some energy for the stressful week ahead in Vienna, the Eurovision week. Oh, it's amazing indeed. Okay, enjoy a few more views of this wonderful nature, as I am actually a bit longer in the water than usual. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode from this 10th of May from Solsidan, Svärdsö, Nacka, Sweden. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.